Who can do it? Who can make me the addition sentence to match the problem? Abigail, go for it. Yep. Plus what? Yep. Now I'll give you a second. You can either circle the bigger number and count on. You can put that bigger number on your number line and count on. But you can't count on your fingers. So let's figure out the sum of 4 plus 9.
I know it.
Did you get it, Abigail?
Ouch.
What'd you come up with? Go ahead, figure it out. Did you get it, Abigail? Or you're not sure? Not sure? 13 is correct. How did you get 13? Oh, wait a second. Hang on.
No, it's only 13. What's that? It's a number line. Why do we need a number line? It's a nasty.
Hold on. Abigail, can you tell us how you got 13?
I found it on the bigger number and then I did a small number.
Okay, so Abigail said she started with the bigger number and then she counted 4 more. Okay? If I were to use a number line, would you start at 4 or 9? 9 is bigger. We always want to start with that bigger number, so we would put our finger on 9 and we would jump over how many spaces? 4. Here we go. Let's jump over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Abigail said the answer is 13. Good job. Now, who can change the order of the addends? The sum does not get changed, guys. We're not touching that 13. And make me a second addition problem. Taylor, what do you think we should write? Keep going. Equals. Very good. Let's change them. 9 plus 4 equals 13. So let's come back over here. Ryan. Blank fish. How many fish did Roy say? How much? Slow it down. 13. Okay. Cameron, 13 fish. If you don't label it, we don't know that this is the answer. A lot of you are forgetting to do this right here.
I did.
Especially on your math test. It's going to start being wrong. I'm being nice and just circling it and showing you got to fill that in, but if it's blank, it's wrong. Okay, number 16. Justin has 6 toys. He gets 8 more toys.
What?
He's a lucky kid. How many toys does he have now? All right, here we go. By yourself, everybody write the first addition sentence. I circled the 2 numbers in the problem. Make me an addition sentence. Go ahead, try it on your own. Find the sum. You can use your number line. You can count on. Draw yourself some dots if you have to with the second number. Zayden, tell me the first addition sentence. Well,
6.
I think we should start with 6 because they told us 6 first, right? I think we should start with the first number of the problem. So 6 plus what? Equals
14.
Okay. Tell us how you got 14. How did you come up with that sum?
Because it's 8 because they.
How did you do it?
Because I counted 6 more.
Okay, so did you use your number line? or you just did 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and you just tapped it and did 6 more, you can do that. So here's what Zayden did. Okay, he said, I'm going to start with the bigger number 8, and I'm going to count 6 more. So he did 8. And if you want to do a little dot, I'm okay with that. Do it above it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Wait, what did you say? 11, 12, 13, 14?
You have to keep counting on. So the next number is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have to count 6 more. If you did it on your number line, you should have started with 8 and jumped over 6 spaces. So you would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you get 14 also. All right, Zayden, this is correct. Tell me how I change the order and make another addition problem.
8, 5, 6, 14.
Very good. So how many toys does Justin have, Zayden?
14.
He has 14 toys. Anybody have a question so far? Ryan, what's your question? Cammy, do you have a question about this, Ryan? What? No, you're telling me something totally different? Let's ask questions about this, Ryan. Come on. What's your question? Bailey. 5. 5 what? Emerson, what's your question?
My question is...
Shh, listen, this might be your question.
My question is, you know if this one is from the future?
Is it from the future?
The map on the spot. Emerson.
I don't know. I guess we're going to find out because it is time to put the video on. So let me pull it up and see it.
I say you have to watch the video.
While I'm pulling it up, you can try to read that quietly to yourself. Some of you know those words.
Please tell me the boy.
You can try though. What's my camera? Did you still count 9 more? 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 8 you mean. Video's on.
You're telling me that you have your voice is in this container?
Uh-oh.
That's
His voice is in the container.
Is this for show and tell? And you can't talk?
I think some of us should put our voice in our
Well, can you help me with
container.
this math problem or do you want me? Okay, here we go. All right, Anna has 2 groups of pennies. She has 16 pennies in all. Do you want to say that? Okay. When she changes the order of the add-ins, the addition sentence stays the same. What sentence can Anna write? That's the question. You want to take a guess? I guess I don't know what's going on with his voice. All right, here we go. So let's think about it. What we know is we're going to group this 16 pennies, 2 groups, into 2 groups. There's going to be the red group, and then there's going to be the blue group, Now, we want to split them up so that the number here plus the number here is going to be 16, and when I switch the order, in fact, it's going to be the same number sentence. Well, the only way that can happen, Joey, is if, in fact, these 2 numbers are, in fact, the same. So, therefore, the order will be different. Here, they'll be this exact same looking sentence, which means this is a double stack. Exactly. I knew you'd be surprised. So all we have to do is now break this into 2 groups where each group has the same number, and that's actually easy to do because we know a double stack with 16 is going to be 8 and 8. And so we see that one group, the red group, is going to be this 8, and then the blue group is going to be this group, exactly, thank you, which is going to be that 8. And so we see now that 8 plus 8 is 16, so there it is, so 16 equals 8 plus 8, and if you reorder it, Now you see 16 equals 8 plus 8. No matter how you slice it, it's 8 plus 8. And so therefore, this great doubles fact solves the riddle. What is the sentence you can write? 16 equals 8 plus 8. That's the way of saying 8, I guess. All right. I still don't believe you, but you better run off the show and tell before it's too late. Bye. Oh, wait, Joey, you forgot your voice. He is so silly, isn't he? His voice is in here. Come on. I'll save the rest for later. I guess he was telling the truth. Have fun with math, and we will see you soon.
Oh, if only we could put some of your voices in a jar.
Hey!
Good. I don't know. We should ask Mr. Bendel if we could jar up some of our voices because we're talking too much. All right, so here's our problem. Shh. Let's listen. Number 17. Look at your book. Anna has 2 groups of pennies. She has 10 pennies in all. So we should draw that, correct? What shape is a penny? Cameron? A circle. So we have a little bit of room right here. And we are going to draw how many circles? Oh, for those of you paying attention, what number did they tell us in the problem? How many pennies, Taylor? 2. How many? She has 10 pennies. So we need to draw 10 pennies, Taylor. Let's draw 10. No, we're drawing 10 pennies on our set.
I didn't put it.
Little circles, 1 row of 10. I had enough room under the problem. You should have the same. Colton, you have 10? All right, so let's continue on. If she has 10 pennies, when she changes the order of the add-ends, the addition sentence stays the same. So what sentence can Anna have? And these are called doubles. We're going to learn about these. We're going to start these probably the end of the week. The example was 8 plus 8. It's a double. It's 2 numbers that are the same. So you can look at the 10 that's there and tell me what 2 numbers of the same number, like an 8 and an 8, a 7 and a 7, a 6 and a 6, would get you to 10. Who can figure it out? I'm going to do a hint. 10 equals what plus what? Kyla, you think you know? 10 equals 10 plus 10 would not be correct. You can only use these 10 here. So you kind of have to look at this and say, I need 2 groups like he did in the video. He did an 8 and an 8. So you can do, I don't know, would a 4 and a 4 get you to 10?
No.
Would 3 and 3 get you to 10?
No.
Would 5 and 5
Yeah.
get you to 10?
Yes, of course.
Well, let's circle 5. And let's see if we have another group of 5 to circle. And look at that. There are 2 groups of 5. So that has to be what Anna has.
Yay!
5 and 5. If you change the order of the add-ends, it makes the same exact addition problem.
I wish I was passing 9 right now.
Okay, number 18. Write the order of the add-ends in a different order. And our problem is 3 plus 7, or I'm sorry, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Go ahead, everybody write it. What do you think it is? If you change the order, what would be the new addition problem? Landon, please turn your book the right way. We are on number 18. You need to finish number 17.